finally, narating na natin yung Sibanhan Waterfalls. So, eto na siya! Tcharam!
Hi guys! Para naman sa part 2 ng ating Sibanhan Falls trip dito sa San Vicente, Veraca, Catanduanes, ay ipapakita namin yung kagandahan ng Sibanhan Waterfalls. So sa video na to ay atin lang enjoyin ang view at ang malamig na tubig ng falls dahil sumakses tayo na marating ang waterfalls. At ipapakita rin namin dito yung daan papunta naman sa kalsada kung saan nag-aantay yung aming sasakyan na tricycle. Pero sa ngayon, atin munang enjoyin ang kagandahan ng waterfalls at maligo sa malamig na falls ng Sibanhan sa San Vicente, Veraca, Catanduanes.
Somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling with you. The only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know? You look into my eyes and fell love to me. And nothing got a chill like a sweet night. Hey, come closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow's slowly.
Eto guys, pack up na at pupuntahan na namin yung aming mga kasamahan. At kung mapapansin nyo ay mabato yung aming daanan, kaya kung kayo ay pupunta rin dito ay kailangang mag-ingat.
Hi guys! So ayan, tapos na kami sa falls. So kami ay pabalik na ngayon sa aming mga kasamahan. So sabi nila yung Shih Tzu daw ay mabilis mapagod. Pero etong kasama naming aso ay sobrang napakasipag sa pag-explore sa bundok at paglalakad sa bundok. So na-enjoy namin yung falls kasi konti lang yung tao. Tsaka nakatulong din actually yung ulan. Kasi nalagdagan yung ilog. So, ayan na yung mga kasama ko. At papunta na kami sa aming mga kasamahan. So, very relaxing talaga, no? Kapag you are connecting with the nature. Iba yung feeling. Tsaka iba din talaga yung meron kang probinsya. Kesa yung nasa syudad ka lang palagi. Kasi maririnig mo yung mga huni ng ibon, mga kuliglig. Katulad yan guys, naririnig nyo ba?
Kaya mo ba?
OMG! It's poop day.
Stop over muna tayo guys para sa pagbabahagi ng fertilizer sa kalikasan.
Bilis, may iwan tayo. Oh, habol! Kay kuya! Bilis! Habol! Habol kay kuya! May iwan tayo.
Success yan. Success yan.
Oh, sumakses. Aray ko.
Wiper naman ito.
Okay.
We won't stop like hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling
Ano?
myself tonight.
Sakto guys, pagbaba namin, pack up na rin sila. Kaya ayan, eto na yung daan papunta doon sa kalsada kung saan nag-aantay yung aming sasakyan na tricycle. Pero bago yon, madadaanan muli natin yung tulay. So makikita natin yon para meron na rin kayong idea kung sakaling gusto nyong pumunta ng Sibanhan Falls sa San Vicente, Viracatan, Anez.
Come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like
I know you will.
Hindi dyan. Pag hindi ka dyan nakatawid, oh. Dito dyan. Oh, baka yung stay mo lang patunay. Ay lang, gabos. Oo, gabos dumaiwas. Ay lang. Ba't ikaw ang mano dyan? Ay, mabalo.
Now I get this moment conversation, and tonight I don't wanna be alone to take the break myself. For just so many times to never look back to I break your heart. What I feel inside breaks me down and burns me out. Left to nevermore. She wonder how I leave you. There's no tears in my love. Never cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect, safe for now.
Ano? Don Silver? Don Silver? Don Silver Tabios. Don Silver Tabios. Ayan o, shout out daw. Don Silver Tabios. Kay Silver.
Alam nyo guys, isang nakakatuwa sa probinsya ay masyadong approachable yung mga tao. Yung makita ka lang nilang meron kang hawak na camera or parang nagvi-video ka lang ng sarili mo, magpapa-shoutout na sila. Kaya ayun naman, nagpa-shoutout nga sabi nila, Don Silver Tabios daw.
Can you heal me from the dark of my past? Can you take me higher side? Wish I got you on my back. 一直希望的，一直希望的 How I leave you. There's no twist, my love. Hunger cries anymore. Now I leave you. excited for another one. And I believe everyone talk to me. If I like you more than once, if I like you more than once, if I like you more than once, you are personal. When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
So, ayan guys, kung mapapansin nyo, malayo-layo rin yung nilakad namin. Siguro, inabot din kami dito ng 1 oras sa paglalakad. At nandito na nga yung tricycle na aming sasakyan at malapit na rin dyan yung kalsada at meron na rin dyang mga kabahayan. So ayun guys, please don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload ni Mayumi. At wag na wag nyong kakalimutang i-add sa bucket list nyo ang Sibanhan Falls sa San Vicente, Viracatan, Doanes. See ya!
Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love, even though I own us up. Let me know if you ever